Rollo gives you everything you need to make shipping and printing easy, save you time, and save you money. First off, you can print wirelessly to Rollo from all of your devices like iPhone, iPad, Android, Chromebook, Windows, and Mac. They already know how to print Rollo, and you don't need to install any drivers. With Rollo Ship Manager, you can see, manage, and ship all of your online orders from Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, and other marketplaces. And you can do that from your computer, tablet, or phone. I like using my phone because it's super convenient. You can also create one-off shipments or print your return labels. Once you create your shipping label, it will automatically send the tracking number to the recipient and let them know that their package is on its way. Whether you're printing 5 or 5,000 labels a day, Rollo prints crystal clear labels at a very fast speed. Just print, peel, and stick it to your package. You can even make cute branding and organization stickers like these. Finally, schedule pickups at your doorstep right from the Rollo app, so you don't have to deal with any long lines or drop-offs. Using its advanced technology, Rollo prints with heat. The Rollo printer does not need any ink or cartridges, ever. Rollo has negotiated shipping discounts with carriers, allowing you to have immediate savings with no minimums. See? Easy, fast, cheap.
Take your labeling to the next level and create a lasting impression with the Brother P-Touch Cube Plus Label Maker featuring Bluetooth wireless technology. Cube Plus is sleek, lightweight, and portable with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Design and print labels from virtually any mobile device or computer that are fun, personalized, and made to get noticed. Cube Plus is ideal for small businesses, retail and specialty shops, classrooms, and labeling of office supplies and equipment. Cube Plus allows you to add a finishing touch to specialty products and craft projects, and it comes in handy at home too. Cube Plus labels are resistant to temperature, smudging, fading, and water. Our free online apps give you access to a wide range of pre-designed label templates. Or use the P-Touch Editor software and included USB cable to create unique label designs using your own fonts, borders, symbols, and images. You can even add scannable barcodes or custom QR codes for interactive labels. Cube Plus supports a wide range of P-Touch labels, including premium matte and glitter tapes that will make your labels really stand out. The P-Touch Cube Plus Label Maker from Brother.
A day in your profession. It can get hectic. Finding the best equipment for your tasks, moving that equipment from site to site, discovering your comfort zone can be a challenge. When it comes to a dependable, portable, and versatile printer, put yourself at ease with Brady's BMP41 label printer, the standout choice for datacom and electrical professionals. Dependable equipment is key in your line of work. Don't be distressed over breaking delicate equipment. The BMP41 is small but solid. Built to last, the new industrial design and textured rubber overmolding will help ensure drops and damages are kept to a minimum. Fed up fitting your equipment into a packed work vehicle? Let Brady lighten your load. The BMP41 is portable and fits right in your hands, labeling at the point of application at any work site. Its size provides convenient label creation at any location with a variety of label type options. Don't sacrifice toughness for transportability again. Put a wrap on inefficient workflows and uncover the top-of-the-line efficiency of the BMP41. With its bright yellow coating, find your printer with ease. Now that you've grabbed it, go to work with the piece that provides convenient label creation featuring more than 100 unique cartridges. Whether creating single labels or batches, the BMP41 is always up to the task. Power through your work faster with a QWERTY keyboard and job site quick key options. At a printing rate of 300 dpi, and you're working with Brady's signature speed and efficiency. With the long-life rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery, this printer will work with you all day. The benefits don't end there. Connect your PC and create label files with Brady Workstation. Job site durable, dependable every day, on the move or at HQ. The BMP41 is your reliable partner for optimal performance in rugged conditions. Discover dependability today.
Take marking life easier. You need a Make ID label printer. It's very stylish, mini, and portable. It's freely designed and inkless printing. You can put it anywhere, like plastic, paper, metal, and so on, to highlight your supplies. You can use in family storage, kitchen items, bathroom storage, office supplies, and DIY gifts. Tips are sleek back and easy peel. It's really awesome. Our apps are free online. You can use over 60 templates. A lot of fonts, borders, stickers, and your own images, QR codes, and painting by yourself. You can choose a variety of tapes. Play with us. Easy to label with fun. Make ID label printer. Easy make ID, simple life.